Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you that I made $56 from Jumaworkers.com. Don't go that. All right, so as you can see here, you can see right here $56. Okay, so what happened exactly is I just said that to get your attention. What happened exactly is that yeah, true, there is $56 rare, and that is as a result of people that have used my link to register on the platform. By the way, if you are watching this video and you use my link to register on jumawork.com, go and do a tax that will make you earn $2. So this referral money that I'm seeing can become claimable. So guys, now this is just an audio money, I will call it, because it's not claimable. And I'm going to show you. Look at this. Look at what we're having here. These are people that have registered using my link on Jumaworkers. I guess these people are just like myself. Those micro jobs are just too tiring. I mean, they're going to be taking a lot of time. Now, the requirement for this money to become claimable is that everybody that registered must do up to $2 tax. And that is like if you're having 0.2 cent tax, that means you have to do like up to 10 before you can hand down $2 for me to see this money to claim. So this money might just be forever there. I believe nobody is just going to fly with I have made $56 on Jumaworkers without watching till this time. And if you're going to be with me to the end of this, it's going to be a very short video. You are going to be hearing some things that are very, 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 very important. So yeah, what I want to show you, that is just by the way, what I want to show you exactly is that you can still go ahead and explore the platform. I see that on Jumaworker they have a marketplace gigs, and they have some job. Just that I just have a lot of concern for this platform. And I must confess to you that all these platforms that promise that they're going to be paying and all that, and they're not just too promising for my own liking. Let's just explore what I want to show you today. Now look at what we are having here. Marketplace gigs, micro jobs, hiring jobs. Now when I see these hiring jobs, I thought it's something that will be more promising, but I'm not sure. Let's just check. So, according to them, you can find jobs on their platform, and here we are. We want to find jobs. Okay, guys. So here looks better compared to the micro jobs. Here looks better compared to the micro jobs. Here, for every job you are hired, you'll be submitting tax on a regular basis. So here now, payment per tax still ranges from $1 to $11 to $30 to okay, I think $30 is them. But then if you look at here, we have job title, payment per tax, expected budget value, accepting workers, and then employment status. So from what we have then, if you look at the accepting workers here, what everything here is just no, 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 no. So none of the jobs that are here are accepting any workers. So that's the no. All right. So let's look at the marketplace gigs. I think what you have at marketplace gig right here is that if anybody is familiar with Fiverr, Upwork, I think it's also another way you can list what you do. You can, guys, I don't know anything about this platform, but I know that you can list your gig and look at this person. Just take a look, just go ahead and explore the platform. If it can further be useful for you more than what I've shown you, right? You can, if you're a writer, if you have any skills you want to offer, you can come and upload. And I think it's easy to list your skill on this platform. I mean, I think it's very easy. But what I don't know is if any client is going to come looking for you on this platform. But then you can just try it out. You can check it out. You can check it out. So marketplace gigs and hiring job. Yeah, we know what micro job is all about. So now I'm going to go back to say that those of you that have registered on this platform, go do tax that will earn you up to $2. So the referral money can be claimable from it. So you're not just having everything unclaimable, 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 unclaimable. All right, so guys, I will be holding a WhatsApp class by Saturday where I will be answering every of your questions that has to do with making money online. Every and any of your questions. So if you have any questions about making money online, you'll be confused on what to do, you might need to be in that class by Saturday. I'll put the link in the description box. Check it, join the group, and I will see you there.